Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your shop. Duplicate the live theme so edits are reversible. Open the product template or section where product JSON or Liquid renders product data. This is where you inject schema. Once located, map required fields: name, SKU, price, currency, availability, images, and description. You need accurate values for rich results. Make sure product variants are represented, since schema must reflect variant prices and availability. Now you're ready to write JSON-LD in the template. You now add a script block with type application /LD plus JSON to the product template. Place it near the product metadata. Within that block, output liquid variables. Use product and variant objects for dynamic values. For example, include name, SKU, and offers. Price using variant. Price and money filters. Once done, construct offers as an array when multiple variants exist and include availability as in stock or out of stock. Make sure images and description are full URLs and escape quotes correctly so JSON stays valid. Finish by previewing products and inspecting page source to confirm the JSON-LD is injected and populated with correct values. Then run Google Rich Results Test or another schema validator to catch syntax or property errors. Validators show missing required fields. If issues appear, trace back to liquid variables. Ensure price filters output numbers, images are absolute URLs, and arrays/braces are balanced. Once validators pass, publish the theme. A key troubleshooting tip: check for empty variants causing invalid JSON and guard against.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.